Have you heard of Ozempic? Did you know that there is a much cheaper and safer natural alternative to it? And it really works. Ozempic was originally developed to treat diabetes and has become a trend among celebrities. For example, Elon Musk recently admitted that the medication got him in shape quickly. The results are impressive. He lost almost 31 pounds using this medication combined with intermittent fasting. But how has a diabetes medication become so popular for people who want to lose weight quickly? This is due to the fact that it is also good for suppressing appetite. And by eating less, you guessed right, you lose weight. The drug also slows down the emptying of the stomach, which helps to eat less frequently. But when it comes to medications, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There can be some quite unpleasant side effects, as you might expect. Many people report feeling nauseous, vomiting, or having diarrhea. It can even cause severe dehydration. If you want to lose weight but don't want to risk using medications for this purpose, we will show you a natural alternative that acts very similarly to Ozempic. And with the same effectiveness, believe me. But before proceeding, like this video and subscribe to the channel, so you will be notified whenever we publish new content here. It is a juice that takes only 3 ingredients that are cheap and easy to find. You'll only need to consume it for a few days to observe noticeable improvements. This recipe will also help to reduce your appetite naturally, in addition to having a diuretic effect, which reduces swelling and fluid retention. It also creates a gel in the intestine that helps to cleanse the body. And the best part is, this juice won't cause you those pesky side effects. Here are the ingredients: 1 banana, 1 orange, 1 cup of water, 5 bay leaves. To prepare the juice is very simple. Start by cutting the banana into pieces. Peel the orange, but keep the white part, as it is a powerful fiber that will help your gut function better. Put the water in a pot with the 5 bay leaves. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Pour the bay leaf tea, the orange, and the banana into a blender, and blend until well combined. The juice is delicious and you can drink it every day, preferably on an empty stomach. Another quick and delicious way to lose weight is with our soup recipe. We like to call it miraculous because numerous channel subscribers have reported losing 7 pounds in just a few days by simply enjoying it for dinner. Want to learn this amazing recipe? Then click on the video above.